Okay, you, Carrie Ann, have just written me something here about my mom and a bicycle. What I have going on here is a whole lot of laundry and stuff scattered, stashed, stowed. It's good to get rid of those two mattresses. That was nice. But as you can tell, things aren't the same since you've not been here. Got that area cleaned. Put in boxes. Now, still working on the kitchen. That's an empty dog food bag there. Bottles. The dishes that need to be cleaned. A neighbor will leave him with his loud ass car and a dog shit all over the place out there. That's stuff from when you still worked at the college. As you can see, the maid hasn't showed up. Spoiled milk down there, I'll throw that out later. But there's so much stuff to get rid of in the way of throwing stuff out. It's not as easy as it seems. I'm trying to put all this stuff from the shelves into that bin. This box here, a lot of glass things. Don't really want to hurry through it. Here's all your books. And there goes the cat. Your other stuff from your desk is right in the boxes and these bins. Stuff from the bathroom are in these boxes. It's still there. Those are empties over there. A fan, air conditioners are over there. Well, you don't really want to see there, but I'll show you what's here or not here. I just cleaned that out. Ready to do some laundry in a minute. Sorry for the bathroom shot. Move the cat pan out here. And then all the stuff that I'm getting rid of, your world books, or not world books, but the great books you said to get rid of are in these boxes here. That's all garbage. Your chandelier is still there. So that's what I'll be doing.